very fast.
No, it's just
Orange whips. It always does around you to its biggest stage.
it's just like a BTV.
Themselves, you can be staring right at it.
Okay.
Time to do anything back. Feel free to take pictures of this rain. Look at that. We don't get a lot of rain in Southern California. When we do, it comes down in buckets. And that water looks wet. You guys in the better part, don't worry about it. Unless you're sitting in a front seat. That's where it ran. What to believe that is. The good place starred Ted Danson and Kristen Bell, filmed all over our lot. This was the picture entitled All Quiet on the Western Front, which won Universal its first Best Picture Academy. Yeah, they got their tour. The operator would interrupt your conversation and say, "Whoa, hey, oh, that's just a trimmer." Speaking of water, we're headed to an Amity. Amity was Venice by 25-foot man-eating great. I mean, shark cage with a police diver. They're coming out and saying, when Sean off quit playing with the shark like that. Oh, it took the bait. And the pier, too. I hope that flammable liquid doesn't ignite. Like that. Well, that's hot. That's Africa hot. Tarzan kicked that thing kind of hot. Want to see it again? Aha! I have made fire! Wait a minute, what's that? Take a look at it, see what that is. What is that?
There you go.
I've heard that before. And you wanted a window seat.
We all go a little mad sometimes.
Looking at two of the oldest, most famous structures still standing in Hollywood. Going to take it for a closer look at the Bates Main, the spectacular crash site. Both Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. Starring Tom Cruise and Dakota Fanning. This is one of the largest sets ever built for a motion picture. Despite the use of these realistic life-size sets, the film still contains over 500 visual effect shots.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision of Steven. Means that again, to sit down and talk about the area, what if the framework is right in the creativity? Because it's just something you don't see. You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep listening. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Now closed.
Universal has been fortunate to work with generation-defining directors like Alfred Hitchcock and Steven Spielberg, who are proud to partner with Academy Award-winner Jordan Peele. In just a few moments, we'll be taking you to You Produced Clay. That's one of the sets featured in Jordan Peele's latest film, Nope. Starring Daniel Kaluuya, Keke Palmer, and Stephen Young.
Into the winking well. It's not looking so live anymore. Your town lies a sinister secret.
At the end of the tour and on our way, people, peanut butter.